केडी LeBron James, the king. LeBron James.
Sexy.
What's up boys and baddies, क्या हाल है आप लोगों के? साले जॉर्डन पूल
I ain't gonna hold out, nigga. I'ma give it all to you, baby.
क्या हाल है भाई सब लोगों के? What's up?
ओम भाई वापस आ चुके हैं।
ओम भाई with us, हम लोगों को तो आप जानते हो ब्रोज
बिफोर ओके। ओम पहले आपको बता दूं, ओम भाई खतरों के खिलाड़ी बन के आए हैं। अभी कितने बज रहे हैं? 2:30-3 बज रहे होंगे। क्या 2:30 हो रहा है ना?
हाँ 2:30
भाई बिना बताए घर से निकले हैं। भाई का एग्जाम है कल। लगने वाली है।
तो हमारे भाई रत्न जैसे कम है क्या?
वीडियो पे आगे बढ़ते हैं। वीडियो पे आगे बढ़ते हैं। बस तुम लेट्स गेट टू द वीडियो।
भाई पे बात ना जाए ना, सीधी मुझे सबसे बातचीत है।
स्टॉप बाकी हो गाइस। लेट्स गेट टू द
एडी भाई आज का टॉपिक क्या है भाई?
देखो, हमने लास्ट वीडियो बनाई थी ऑफ ऑल टाइम ग्रेट प्लेयर्स की टीम। 3 टीम्स थी, सबको याद होगा। इस बार हम
मेरा बहुत बुरा कटा था।
चलो वो भी डिबेटेबल है। तो भाइयों इस बार हम वीडियो बना रहे हैं करंट प्लेयर्स। ये अपने इस क्रेजी। चलो अभी के प्लेयर्स हैं, अभी के फॉर्म में, उनकी टीम्स बनानी है। ठीक है, सेम फॉर्मेट, सेम एवरीथिंग, ट्रेड डेडलाइन, स्वैप्स, एवरीथिंग आर ऑन। एवरीथिंग इज ऑन। ठीक है।
अरे वो देख लुक
ये हारने वाला है मेरे से भाई। इसको देख ब्रो, ही इज गोना लूज।
भाई देखो मैं जिम जाना चालू किया है।
जिम जा भाई। तो
भाई काल मलून वाले मेरे मसल्स ही बता दिया।
सबके प्लेयर रेडी हैं? अरे आओ, सॉरी आ जाओ। चलो 3 2 फिर से फर्स्ट पिक मेरा है। क्या
पता है मुझे
लेब्रॉन।
ये क्यों हर बार ये कर देता है भाई?
Today, every move is calculated. This shit ain't no guessing game. Only time I'm second place is when I'm at my second.
भाई आज मैं ये पेट किया है भाई कि मेरे को थोड़े चांसेस मिल जाए लेब्रॉन भाई के मिलने के।
myself LeBron freaking James, no denial, for at the age of 40 he's putting up 40 points, he's doing triple doubles. He's one of the biggest reasons Lakers are right here right now without AD and for a period without Luka. That's why LeBron. Go on.
Okay.
I'll take Luka at my PG.
Money hungry, not skinny, butter waist. She come from money, but she spend it on her titties and her face. If you really wanna know, these women when they come and go. Yeah, cause one of the season one.
Sad about the trade.
Bro.
Yeah.
Seriously, Luka?
Yeah, I'll take Luka.
Okay.
Write it down.
I know someone will
Write
take
it down.
Steph, but I'll steal it.
Write it down.
I'm gonna take Steph, but now I'm not.
2 players.
I'm gonna
Okay,
steal
so-
Steph.
2 players.
My 2 players. Giannis.
Write it down.
Freak.
Freak.
The freak. Giannis.
I just want chill, drink, smoke, fuck. Yeah, cause God
And Nikola Jokic at my center.
damn had you hot as hell, but still cold as fuck. You know the deal, you know what's up. You ain't the
Strong boy. Now today I will win this shit.
Alright, go on.
नहीं, आपकी है
He
ना?
took my player, man. Yeah,
आपकी chance है।
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
Okay, I'll go.
Don't worry.
Give me center Nikola Jokic.
He took
Did you
it.
take Nikola?
हाँ.
Just took Nikola.
Give me center Wemby then.
girls these days.
Today I'm gonna win it.
Wemby.
Yes.
So I get to choose 2 players, right?
Yes.
I get to choose 2 players. Give me Jason freaking Tatum at my
That was
PF.
my fucking.
Take off, yeah. Take.
And as my PG, Shea Gilgeous-Alexander. The greatest scorer right now.
Take on, take off. Know that I'm ready to take off.
I'll take
Motherfucking
Jackson Jr. at power forward.
Take off, yeah. Take off.
I want some defense, athleticism, so that's why I will put Anthony Edwards at my shooting.
I'm about to take flight, and I don't get scared if I'm under the light.
Bro, today I am in mood, bhai. Today I am in mood.
He was gonna be my player. I will
steal
kill him.
everything.
I love him. Only one
Now,
player. Only
now.
one.
Come on, let's go.
First, it's a trade round.
Okay, I have a trade. Okay, will you trade Giannis with LeBron?
No, come
It's
on.
a
You
tough
cannot
one.
trade.
No, I know, but it's a tough one.
Bro.
It's a tough one.
LeBron, man.
Giannis, man. No, I
LeBron,
cannot.
It's a
I
tough
cannot
one.
do
Okay,
this.
I have a trade for you. You have Luka, right?
I have Luka.
Okay, I have a very good trade for you.
Yes.
Will you trade your Wemby?
20 seconds only.
Okay, Wemby and Luka for
For?
Anthony Edwards and Nikola Jokic.
Whoa.
Wait, think about it.
That's a big one, man.
You will have a.
That's a big one.
You will have the best center of the league
That's the big.
and the best shooting guard of the league.
Big one, man.
Bro,
Let's go.
Wait.
I can do just Wemby for Nikola Jokic. I am
So
not
what's the
giving.
main point of that?
I am
Look,
not giving you Luka.
See,
I'll give you Wemby and Jaren Jackson Jr. That's all I have for you.
Don't want to trade?
bro, I wanted to give him the best center of the league and best shooting.
Yeah,
of
but
the
I don't want to give
Okay, it's
Luka
okay.
Doncic, man.
league. Okay, I will steal it right now. Wait.
Will you give me?
Take shit.
Will you give me Wemby for Shea?
Hell no.
Wemby for
Bro,
Shea.
Shea.
Shea Gilgeous-Alexander.
you already have JJJ.
Shea.
No.
It will not affect you.
Oh, man.
I inch.
I thought I would.
It's okay.
I don't want him to win again.
Have
We
you know
don't-
anything for me? Like Giannis and I have Edwards,
Okay.
shooting guard.
And Amar bro, I think we
Giannis,
should
power
team up.
forward,
We don't
center.
want him
No,
to win
no.
again. We
No.
don't want him to win again. We should team up.
Okay. Traded and over.
Bro,
it's
wait.
that. It's okay. Go on.
Okay,
Only 10 seconds.
I want to team up with you.
With
Okay.
me.
Alright, back off.
I want his Luka only.
I'm not
And
giving
but
you
how?
Luka.
And wait, in next round,
I cannot give any player for Luka, man.
no, I will just steal his Luka. You have to support me. And
No,
in next
fuck,
round,
this is
I will
not-
give. I will give you my Jokic in exchange of any player. Bet.
Do you want? Do you want?
I want his Luka,
Give me
and you have to help me for
No, I
Yeah,
that.
cannot
I'll
give
give you Luka.
No, no.
No, I
Okay, give
What's
me
your team?
LeBron
What's your
for
team right
Luka
now?
and Jaren Jackson.
What's your team right now? Tell me first.
Give me LeBron.
Wait, first tell me your team.
I cannot do it.
First tell me your team.
Shea, LeBron, and Jason Tatum. I cannot.
Shea, LeBron. Do you want? Okay, wait. I have a better offer. Do you want Giannis in exchange of Tatum in next round?
Yes, of course.
I want his Luka. I want his Luka.
No, bro, no, I cannot. But I cannot trade anything else.
Bro, you
Give
have
me
to
LeBron.
help me.
Oh, give me LeBron. I'll
You-
give
bro.
you Luka and Jaren Jackson.
No, I cannot.
You
I cannot do it.
you have to help me that trivia round. Okay.
Oh, that is
Like,
fucked up. No.
We will team up and we
That
will.
is not okay.
No,
is
that's cheating.
That's cheating, man.
No,
Come on,
but-
That's cheating. That's cheating.
That's called team up.
that's not called.
Bro, but I'm also giving you.
Will you give me Luka for
Giannis.
Shea?
Hell no. Why I'm not giving you
Luka for Shea.
No.
But if you help me in trivia round,
For Shea.
it's Luka fucking.
bro, I will
Doncic,
give you
man.
Giannis motherfucker in exchange of Tatum. Think about it.
I'm not.
Nothing better than it.
Give me LeBron.
The only
I'll
For
give
the
you-
video. For the video.
The only
for,
thing you have to
for
do-
our fans. For my brother, will you give me Luka for LeBron?
Bro, this is.
Let me think.
Bro, nothing. Do you really think Luka is
Right
better than
now.
LeBron?
Guys.
Okay, I'll take
And-
LeBron for Luka.
Oh shit, no, man.
No.
No.
But he, भाई तू realize कर भाई, he will have the best team. He'll have Nikola Jokic. He'll
But
also
now you
have.
have the LeBron.
He'll have Nikola Jokic
Are you
and
giving me
Luka.
Giannis?
No,
Are you giving me Giannis?
You want Giannis or Luka?
you
Yes.
are not
Yes.
thinking
Yes.
this through, man.
Wait.
Jason Tatum.
Bro, you have your
give me-
brother.
I give.
Fuck
Bro,
off.
You are
I-
my brother.
I got it, bro. I got it for
No
you.
trade from my side.
Oh shit, man.
I have LeBron right now.
I gave you LeBron. Thanks to me.
I love you, man.
Thank you.
I'll suck your dick.
He fucked me up, man.
Bro, I told you. इनको तो नहीं जीतने देंगे भाई.
Bro, that's cheating, man.
इनको नहीं जीतने
Guys,
देंगे. Bro,
please,
that's
man.
what.
You can have Luka, bro.
Bro, Omi.
That's man.
अब बस मेरे को ट्रिविया राउंड में
Share
जीतने
my
दो.
energy right
अगर
now.
हम लोग टॉप 2 में पहुंच गए मुझे जीतने तो मुझे बस इनका लुका चाहिए.
Okay, this is the
मैं
trivia
तेरे
round.
LeBron दिलवा दे इससे अच्छा और मैं कुछ नहीं.
This is the trivia round, guys. And
Bro,
we are again gonna do players in this league. Go, quick.
Michael Porter Jr.
Jaren Jackson Jr.
करी.
Don't look at close. No.
Sorry.
Close it. Close it.
Curry,
Close it.
Curry,
Close
Curry,
it.
Curry.
Close it.
Curry,
Close it.
Curry.
Go.
Jalen Brown.
James Harden.
Luka,
Jason Tatum.
KD.
James.
KG.
What KG?
Kevin Garnett.
Now in the league, you are out.
Oh, sorry,
out.
no,
Out.
no,
Out.
no,
Out.
no,
Out.
no, no, no,
Out.
sorry,
Out.
Wait, I have a question. Now restart.
Yes, we from this one.
So we can repeat the
Fine,
play.
fine,
No,
don't do this to me, bhai.
can't
Please.
No, AD.
Jammer.
Jamorant, Anthony Edwards,
Steven Adams.
Stephon Castle.
Steven Adams is not currently
Oh,
playing.
he's not playing in the league. He's not playing right now. He's
Okay.
not playing right
I
now.
helped
He's
you
not
right
playing.
I helped you right now.
He's
Give
not
me Luka
Take
back.
a LeBron back. Take a LeBron back.
He's not
I'm
playing
not.
right now.
Please don't.
ये कब हुआ?
You cannot take LeBron back.
He can.
take
You
LeBron.
cannot
right?
take LeBron.
But
Why? He can.
I'm giving
Once
you
you
Luka
take
and
him-
I'm taking Giannis from you.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's,
I can.
Why
I could
are
have
you
taken
taking Luka? Give him Shea.
No. Why will I give him Shea? Shea is my scorer, man.
Fuck off.
Why will I give him Shea?
Nah, that's
so,
I could have taken it
bro,
from
that's a real game changer.
But I will take my revenge.
You
I
are
have taken
giving
my
me
revenge.
Luka.
Guys,
Bro.
please support me. I have taken my revenge. I have
Wait, bro. But indirectly, I give him Giannis in exchange of Luka.
PG, bro.
You are a backstabber. Don't you even dare. Don't you even
Bro,
dare.
wait a minute. मैं आपसे क्या बोला था? आपको यानिस मिलेगा. मिला?
Jason Tatum at my SF and Giannis at my PF.
हाँ या ना? मिला कि नहीं आपको?
I got it, but I took it. You didn't give me. I
Take
promise.
sense. So
Your player.
you gave me Luka.
Yes. Let's go, bro. Let's go.
So I don't have a power forward. Kevin Durant.
Correct.
Something in the air, just a bluff. Something like a dream state.
Kevin Durant.
At your PF.
For 38 points.
At your
And
PF.
your PS.
All right.
I'll take Steph at my PF.
Nobody took Steph right now. Nobody had taken it. Oh fuck, man. Fuck. I forgot
आपको नहीं
about
पता
it.
था.
Bro, but I could not have taken anybody else, na? Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
My
There
team
is
sitting
Luka
on
and
your
Steph in same
asses,
team.
guys.
I'm getting two players right now. I'm getting two players. Did somebody take Jaren Jackson Jr.?
Yes, I did.
He
I have
he
Jack
took it.
Jackson.
Fuck, man.
You don't have any center.
I'm sitting on your asses.
It's tough for me.
He
It's
doesn't
so
have a
tough.
center.
It's so tough, man. It's so tough.
Bloopers.
It's so tough.
Bloopers, guys.
It's tough.
He looks like he's
Constipation.
constipation.
I am switching Giannis to my center. I am taking Jalen.
Center.
Yes. Jalen Brown as my PF.
Oh, he's fucked up.
No, I did not. Have you seen Jalen Brown?
My
Have you seen
team is
Jalen Brown?
fucking up,
Okay,
bro.
SG. At my SG, now I can pick something.
My team is gonna fuck.
So the next round, I will be so confused that should I pick LeBron James or should I pick
Fuck it,
Giannis?
man. I'm going Ant-Man. Did everything?
I have it.
No, no, no,
I have
okay.
it. But
Donovan Mitchell.
You,
in front of Ant-Man.
Bro,
you should have taken Ja Morant, bro.
No.
Bro, 85 points
Right now.
last season.
Not right now.
Halliburton.
Not right now, man. Right now,
I
Donovan
will
Mitchell
give
is
you a
good.
name, other names. I have a very good name that he did.
Okay, I think.
And he is
So
in
done.
his prime right now.
It's your turn.
I want Austin Reeves at my SG.
Oh, that's a,
I respect
No,
that, man. He's
that's a
balling.
good pick.
Oh,
That's
he's
a good
balling right now.
Okay, I'll take one.
SG.
I think I was.
but obviously seniors are seniors.
Your team is complete, 5 team?
Yeah, right.
That
I
was
need a
my last
rookie.
pick.
Last 2 players, na? Yes, 2 players.
I need a rookie too.
Now I have to.
Yes, we are.
You take
I
it?
have to do something historic.
You're not good.
You are left with 1 player and a rookie.
I'm gonna win this shit, guys. Come
Wait,
on.
One player.
Butler.
Jimmy Butler at yours?
Jimmy Butler.
At yours?
Small forward. I don't have small forward.
Jimmy Butler. bro.
Yes.
It's okay.
I will do something historic.
I'm
Okay,
gonna
and a
fuck
rookie.
y'all,
And a
bro.
rookie.
And rookie, I'm Zach Edey.
Edie battling, got it, dunks it, Wembanyama.
Oh, who's your center?
Jokic.
When will you play him? When you play, how will you play Zach Edey in your team?
Bro, I want a big man. Like
Okay, okay.
no,
Who's your PF?
not in center like in KD.
Who's your PF?
Like in my
Yes.
PF is KD. That's why.
And who's your SS?
My SF is Butler. That's why I need a big man.
It's tough to play Zach Edey.
For
okay.
power forward, I need
Zach
a.
Edey is balling, guys. Zach Edey is balling. He's one of the best.
I need a tough guy
Now?
who can
Yes,
stop.
He took Zach Edey. You cannot take him.
Okay, I'll take Bronny James Jr.
No.
I have a goated team. I'm gonna fuck y'all.
Bronny James.
No, my 5 are all good.
Bro, but you have to still win.
I can take to Bronny.
No,
Okay,
you
okay.
cannot do that.
I don't
Now
know.
tell me your that.
Bronny is goated, guys.
At rookie, I choose Ben Simmons, no Stephon Castle.
Oh, I was in little shock.
I thought he was gonna say Ben Simmons Jr.
Ben Simmons.
Ben Simmons was.
Where is
so
our
bad.
Ben Simmons?
He is right here somewhere.
Left. Our Ben
Where is
Simmons left.
Ben Simmons?
He's on the bench. He's on the bench.
Oh, Hey, what's up? On bench.
You ain't getting no minutes, boy.
Okay, guys.
Okay,
So
now trade.
no, first trade
fuck,
deadline.
first
Yes,
trade.
trade deadline.
I am not
Okay.
giving you any.
Bro,
Do you want Jokic and Luka
for
for Shea? Giannis.
no, I cannot give you Shea, but I'll give you Giannis for Nikola Jokic.
No.
Fuck off.
Decline.
I'll give you Giannis for Nikola Jokic, bro. You can take that, man. Come on. You can do that. He can do that.
Do whatever you want. Combine your teams and I'm still
Okay.
winning.
Do you want to do that?
Wait.
Do you want to do that?
Wait.
Do you want to do that?
But you have to help me.
What?
Now I'm serious.
What?
Literally, I'm serious.
What?
Like
I'm
we
ready.
have to build trust.
I'm ready
Okay.
to hear it. I'm ready
If you
to hear
want
it. Out.
Jokic,
Okay.
I will take Giannis. ठीक है. And
Take my rookie man. Give me Zach Edey also.
okay, wait. You can take Zach Edey
Yes.
and Jokic. What will you give me?
So Giannis,
Giannis. What's the name of your
Stephon Castle.
Stephen Castle.
Ah.
I will take both of them, but I want his LeBron James.
You're not getting shit.
Bro, no, I cannot do that. I cannot do that. If I get LeBron James, I'll take it myself. Why will I give it to you?
But then you will.
Why will I give it to you, man?
Oh, there are
Yeah,
no
Jokic
trivias left.
Bro,
Yes.
there is one trivia left.
That's why I'm talking.
There is one trivia left.
Okay,
bro.
no trade
I'm
from my
the
side,
trivia
guys.
king.
No
We
trade
had
from
three
my
trivias.
side.
I won two of them, and I'm gonna win another.
Bro,
First trade deadline over. Nobody wants to trade.
No.
I will give you straight out Giannis for Jokic only. Nothing else.
bro, yeah, it's
want
very
to-
tough.
You want to trade? Who is the center?
What is it, Alex?
You want Giannis for Wemby?
Obviously not.
Nah.
Are you sure?
Oh, Giannis! You will give him Giannis
Yes.
for Wemby,
Yes.
bro.
Do you wanna?
Bro, that's a fucking crazy trade.
Do you wanna take him, mama? I know you want to, bro. I know you want
Bro,
to.
it doesn't have-
Bro, do it.
Bro, LeBron and Giannis in same team.
You wanna do it, man.
No, but I know he'll take my LeBron, huh?
Bro, you can win that. You can win that. Okay, you guys. This time you guys.
ये last
choose
video में-
If it
ये
is
बंदा
like
last
that,
video
if
से इतना
I'm
shock
choosing-
में है।
If I'm choosing the topics, I have an advantage.
I'll
This
give
time-
you. Okay. Let's make a deal. You won't take my LeBron if you win.
No, that's not a deal. I cannot accept that.
Acha, okay.
I
Now
cannot-
let's straight move to that.
Okay, swap round. Okay, trivia
Let's just name players, bro.
That's easy.
of all time.
Yes, of all time.
Okay. We
Bro,
can. But quick.
we
This
can
has to
play-
be. This has to be quicker. This has to be quicker.
No,
We
but
have-
we can name players that are active right now, right?
Yes, of course.
Obviously, of all time.
Okay.
Of all time, but we have to be quick. If anybody stops for even 1 or 2 seconds, they're out.
Bro,
No,
very
this-
hard.
bro, this is
at
all-
least 3
Five,
seconds.
five.
Bro, this is all time players.
Five, bro. This is the last trivia.
Okay,
Not
wait,
3 seconds.
wait.
3 seconds.
देखो,
3
जैसे
seconds.
जैसे आपने अपना बताया, जब मैं बोलूँगा, उसी में काउंटडाउन स्टार्ट करते हैं.
Okay,
But
they
you
stop
want
3
for a
seconds.
second and
3 seconds. 3 seconds. We get
Okay.
3 seconds. Okay. Start.
Should I start?
Yes.
LeBron,
Nicola,
Wemby.
Pippen,
Embiid,
Elgin Taylor.
Larry,
Wemby,
Clyde.
Hey, Wemby!
Clyde Drexler.
Clyde Drexler, Sean Kemp,
AI.
Karl Malone.
Magic
You are
Johnson.
out. You are
Why?
out. Bro,
Magic
you,
Johnson.
we had said
You repeated Wemby.
Karl Malone.
Magic Johnson.
Moses Malone.
Moses Malone, Patrick Ewing,
Marcus Morris.
Marcus
Someone
Morris,
say
Nikola
fucking
Jokic,
LeBron, guys.
Lonzo
Oh.
Ball.
Luka,
Kyrie Irving.
Zach Levine,
Dwight Howard.
Bosh,
Zach Edey.
KD,
KD.
KG,
Embiid.
Embiid, Bam,
Michael Porter Jr.
Michael Porter Jr.,
3,
Andrew Wiggins.
2.
Aaron Gordon, Wait,
Aaron Gordon.
Okay,
Aaron Gordon.
Okay.
Three.
Klay Thompson.
Klay Thompson.
Yes.
Wait.
Hey.
Michael Jordan.
Jimmy Butler.
Jimmy Butler, Dennis Rodman,
Okay. Tim Duncan.
David Robinson,
Dirk Nowitzki.
Manu,
Oscar Robertson.
Tony Parker,
Jerry West.
Gervin.
Oh, these guys are fucking good.
One.
Hakim
It was too late.
I got it.
David Robinson.
You said David Robinson.
No, you did.
You said David
You said no.
Robinson.
We can check it. We can check it. You did it.
But why
You
am
checked,
I
you
so
said.
happy? Why am I so happy?
I said,
He's
Acha,
fucking
wait,
LeBron, man.
but you were too late, bro.
No.
We decided, wait, Acha, मेरी बात
I said
सुनो.
Hakim. I said Hakim.
सुनो,
मेरी
बात सुनो. We decided, जैसे ही अगर मैं नाम लूंगा प्ले का, तभी से 1 2 3 काउंट
Bro, but he was counting. He can-
हमने लेट चालू किया था यार, ये तो तुझे भी पता है.
okay.
हमने थोड़ा भाई ये नहीं यार. नहीं भाई इस बार नहीं मैं कभी नहीं है उसको
Let's
भी
just give it.
प्लीज
Okay, let's just give him.
LeBron James
Let's just give him.
And
Butler.
whoever was gonna win this shit.
I want- I-
And he's just giving me a good player.
अच्छा, okay, I will give you a good player.
What? You're gonna
Jimmy
give me a
Butler.
rookie.
Bro, he cooked the.
Who are you giving me?
Jimmy
Who
Butler.
is the power forward?
Huh?
Power forward.
Bro, I
Power
need a
forward
power.
is KD.
I need a
Give him
small.
KD
At
at
least give
No,
me
no.
KD.
I am so motherfucking brutal.
you are fucking-
I want
At
LeBron
least
James
give me
in
KD,
exchange,
man.
bro.
We are giving the victory. You were talking
Bro.
about majority. We both
Bro,
expected.
wait, bro.
Nah, and give me
But
KD,
you also
bro.
know,
KD at least.
आपको भी पता है कि-
But give him KD
मेरी
at
बात
least,
तो
that's
सुनो, मेरी
what
बात
I'm
तो सुनो। आपको पता है कि काउंटडाउन थोड़ा लेट स्टार्ट हुआ था।
Nah, man, just give me KD.
Bro, yes or no?
That's fucked up.
हाँ या
He
ना?
knows.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ। अच्छा एक फिर गेम पे काउंटडाउन थोड़ा लेट स्टार्ट हुआ था कि नहीं?
Nah,
हल्का
man.
हल्का सा
No,
लेट।
bro.
नहीं अभी वीडियो चेक कर लेंगे।
Bro,
It's bro, not don't do that.
give me KD or we're doing it
भाई,
again.
Yes, yes.
Give me
Yeah,
KD or we're doing it again.
भाई अच्छा
That's
अच्छा
the
एक बात
reason.
बताओ।
Bro, he lost. He was the
ब्रो आपने वैसे भी
he was the VR. He was
देखो
the VR.
3 and हकीम उलाजन सेम टाइम पे क्लैश हुआ है।
Nah, man.
ठीक है।
But Hakeem, I said at least Hakeem, I said.
And you
हाँ, मैं
repeated
हकीम
David
नहीं बोल रहा।
Robinson.
Yes, देखो 3
I
and
said Hakeem. Hakeem. Quickly, I said.
3 and हकीम सेम टाइम पे बोला गया है।
There's also
But
one more thing,
that's
bro.
that's on the time.
मिली सेकंड पहले बोला गया है।
Bro, but that's
Millisecond
the
पहले।
shot clock.
Bro,
Nah,
wait.
but he also repeated David Robinson too.
You are only saying that because
अच्छा
you lost that.
You
मेरी बात
repeated
सुनो।
it first.
मेरी बात
Yes,
सुनो।
yes,
मेरी बात
हाँ.
सुनो। आप लोगों ने फेवर राउंड मुझे विनर मान दिया था।
Yes.
हाँ या ना?
But give him KD at
मैं
least.
लेब्रॉन अच्छा मैं लेब्रॉन ले रहा हूँ बट लाइक उसमें एक्सचेंज में
अरे यार.
भाई
We're doing it again then.
नो भाई
Yeah, yeah,
okay, guys,
yeah.
okay,
Fuck
okay.
it.
भाई अगर फेयर प्ले वाली बात है तो काउंटडाउन लेट स्टार्ट हुआ है तो उस हिसाब से तो
Okay,
फिर भी
take
विनर
Bro,
LeBron.
at least don't take his player. Take my anything.
I won't have.
Take anything from me.
LeBron James the king
Don't take
LeBron
his player.
James
Don't take his
LeBron
player. man.
James.
Take my player at least. I lost against you. Don't take his player.
Yeah,
Bro,
like, I love it.
Take my player. please.
आपको
I love
कौन
this
सा
bitch.
player है?
Giannis, Jason,
I'm gonna suck his dick.
Jaylen Brown, Jason Tatum, Donovan Mitchell, Shea and Stephon.
But then KD and Giannis that will be
But think now my team will be good. I won't have a center, good center. Just think.
bro you are like my big brother I don't want to
Oh, fuck off. I'm not
Bro,
like
he
a small brother.
just
You are
cheated
a
right
small
now.
brother.
And he's saying
So what?
Bro, he was
यार
he just
man.
ये तो भाई
he just
मुझे
backstabbed.
महाभारत में फंसा दिया
This guy backstabbed me and he's saying I'm the brother. Come on, man, you are
भाई,
a backstabber.
इसलिए मैं आपको यानिस नहीं ले रहा हूँ आई रियलाइज
Fuck
इसलिए मैं
yeah,
आपको
you
देखो
just want LeBron,
देखो
man.
ये आपको भी ये बात पता है कि लेब्रॉन ओल्ड हो गया है ठीक है आपको भी पता है कि मैं यानिस ही लूंगा
But still, everybody is fighting for LeBron. There's no
हाँ
reason.
आई नो भाई बट देखो आपको भी पता है कि अगर एथलेटिसिज्म अगर मुझे वही चाहिए एंड ब्लॉक्स अगर आपको पता है मैं डिफेंसिव माइंड
Bronny James, guys.
अगर आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता है कि मैं यानिस को ही लेता
Okay.
बट क्योंकि मैंने रियलाइज किया भाई मैंने गलत किया इसलिए मैं उससे लेब्रॉन ले रहा हूँ प्लीज
This guy has accepted your win. We are giving you the win. You can take.
Bro, wait,
but
wait.
please give him a good player.
हम वीडियो कितनी लंबी कर रहे हैं
Achha, what all players do you have?
मे बी यार बता लूका है
हाँ.
एडवर्ड्स है
Give me Luka.
Give him Luka at least.
Yeah,
Bro!
give me Luka at least.
ब्रो अच्छा
Bro, Luka is not even good at that.
अच्छा, मेरी बात
He's
सुनो.
not good right now.
Drop
I
30.
was giving.
Yes, he's not good right now. He's injured. He's injured. He's
This guy is
injured.
dumb, man. You are dumb.
Bro,
He's
this
injured
video,
right. Nahi, he's injured right.
bro, this video is
He was
the
give it-
best
he was
video
gonna
in
give it-
his my life.
He was gonna give it to you, man. You are fucked up.
Bro,
Fucked up.
for a
Fucked
second,
up.
Luka is
I
injured
wanted
right
to-
now.
Take him.
Luka is
Take
injured.
LeBron.
I want LeBron
Fuck
because
off, man.
भाई लेकर्स में भी LeBron and Luka साथ में I want LeBron in
Why am
exchange
I
of Jimmy
fighting?
Butler
I am fighting.
and I know clearly I am the winner of this video.
Achha, tell me all your players.
No,
KD.
No, I'm not
and-
supporting you.
अरे
Shut up.
एक बार बताओ
KD.
फायदा
and-
क्या है फायदा क्या मैं दूंगा ही नहीं कुछ
बता दो.
I want LeBron in exchange of Butler that's it Butler cut
It's cooked.
LBJ
Done, done.
now do you really think
Right. LeBron is gone.
I'll still cook you.
bro now it's a very
Bro,
good
but
team
it's
with
fun.
chemistry
Okay.
Chemistry, I'm fucking you.
Right. Team.
bro this is the best team
This is again you did the same thing in the last video.
Bro, नहीं
it's
इसमें chemistry है
You don't have no defense.
But ये
No,
सारे
no,
एक
no,
सेकंड
no,
wait I have a
some
comment
defense.
ये सारे all देखो
You know, this team is much better than your previous.
I know देखो ये सारे
Yeah,
सुनो
so-
इसमें से एक दो को छोड़ के सिर्फ बाकी सारे वेस्टर्न कॉन्फ्रेंस है एंड ऑल स्टार में सबकी कोऑर्डिनेशन है
Who's a rookie? Zach Edey?
हाँ bro I'm the clear winner now भाई
Jimmy Butler, okay?
Yeah, center memory.
Okay.
Baba.
Bro, he's good. Bro, you are beating me.
Yes.
And who's a rookie? Dalton Connect.
No. The greatest of all time, Ronnie James.
Yes, fucking hell. Mine was Ben Simmons, no. Stefan Curry.
Well,
Okay, now guys.
I'm the clear winner I guess
This is
please
this
You
is
are
the point.
you are not the winner. Who's gonna play defense on your fucking team?
Bro, you have.
bro he's talking
Listen,
about defense
No, I
Correct.
forgot
Listen,
about
no,
I
correct.
forgot about Anthony Davis.
Bro, he's not
Bro,
even good
हाँ.
this season. He's out almost.
it's good right now
Okay.
अच्छा wait
Listen to me first.
अच्छा, you are a big brother.
Current form. LeBron is not Current, you know, from the last 2-3 games.
Jimmy Butler is fucking
Why
back.
was fighting behind LeBron?
Bro, for
in the
defense we are
whole
talking.
video.
We are talking about
Jimmy,
defense.
LeBron is injured right now.
No, he's not. Bro.
LeBron is injured right
Not
now.
he.
Jimmy
no,
Butler
he's not.
is also not playing very well.
Oh,
LeBron is not
Jimmy
injured
Butler
right now.
just
Okay,
dropped
wait. I have some
25
points.
points
I have some
last
points.
fucking match.
Dekho.
Okay. You know, the only guys who are playing defense on the team are KD and Edwards. That's it.
KD and Jokic too.
No, Jokic doesn't play
But
that
he-
much defense. He doesn't
In
play.
paint area.
Bro,
Hell no.
He's good at
For
rebounds.
rebounds
I
and all.
accept that he's good at rebounds, but he's not good. He's slow, bro.
But okay. Now tell me.
We have Shea,
over-
we have Shea, Donovan Mitchell, Austin Reeves, and Steph. They're gonna cut out from him.
I have the best defense.
He can't defend against them.
I think I have.
But
more
LBJ is
defense.
still a
But
good defender.
your still defense is better than
LBJ
previous
does
team.
not play defense.
Better than previous
anymore.
team. Your scoring, I think he has the best scoring.
Scoring
Yeah,
top by
the best
obviously.
scoring, I have the
Like
best
in
defense
paint
though.
area,
Yes.
Jokic and
No, we accept that. You have the best scoring out of it.
But I have the best defense.
But still you have the same problem. You have ball dominance problem. There are a lot of ball handlers in your team. Edwards, you have Luka, Edwards, LeBron James, and KD. All of them are
But
ball
KD
handlers.
is
a
not
little
that
problem.
big
But-
ball.
But I guess KD and LeBron James know how to play off the ball.
Yes.
That's why.
Now I think we can accept that LeBron James has played a lot.
I will give him the win.
Okay, this time I think he is the clear winner right here, guys.
Yes,
I
finally.
mean, you can still comment in the.
भाई
I am second though.
देखो
I am
फर्स्ट तो
second.
मैं हूँ इन दोनों को बता देना
Bro, I have Shea, Giannis, Jason.
Bro, he is the second one.
No, bro.
भाई Shea and Giannis in same team.
Wait a second. Wait a
Bro,
second.
I got nothing.
Wait a second. Celtics number 1, Jason Tatum and Jaylen Brown. They are the best players on the team. They have the best chemistry out of all the players in the league. Okay, they are the.
Yeah, my team does not
I
have
mean,
chemistry.
after LeBron and Luka, they are the best duo for me.
I got chemistry.
Okay,
no,
and
Bronny.
I have Shea, who is from OKC right now. He's the top. He's at the top of the
Okay,
table.
you're gonna say
And
for
sorry,
it.
not Celtics is not that in the Eastern Conference top.
Okay,
Donovan Mitchell,
okay.
Cavaliers.
I'll give you the
Cleveland
second.
Cavaliers.
भाई but एक बार
And
Giannis.
freak.
Bro,
My favorite.
finally I am the winner.
Bro,
in
we
first
all know-
video,
guys, we all know how he won. We all know we both
bro,
know how he won.
भाई एक बार
I should have won.
For
I would have won.
एक second, for proof मैं वीडियो
just- but
सुनो
one second, just a second.
मेरे जस्ट कैन एक बार
Okay.
मेरे जस्ट कैन एक बार मैं एक बार टाइमर सेट करूंगा और उसमें दिखाऊंगा कितनी लेट काउंट चालू हुई भाई
Okay, guys, ठीक है.
ठीक है
Okay.
First,
If
second
he didn't switch LeBron, his team was the worst of all.
And mine
time.
was the best.
the worst. Yes, his.
but bro
we
I'm the clear winner
Guys, we know how
I
he won.
fought-
I mean, we accept that he won, but we know how he won.
bro
I should have won.
fought
It was my first podcast.
I fought
It's fine.
a lot
It's
for
fine.
my first place
Guys,
in first video he was the winner I was the runner in second video I am the winner he was the runner and
but he was runner up in
Bro.
the last video. We accept that.
Yeah, fuck
bro
off.
नहीं
No.
Suck it, bro.
audience के सबसे ज्यादा मेरे लिए आए हैं
Okay,
Nah, man.
let's see that in the future.
bro
Guys, the video is over. The video is over.
I am feeling very bad for Mr. Bro sportsmanship
I-
you are talking about NBA
I'm gonna give him a handshake. I still
He's still a fucking LeBron,
still
man.
think you're
Like,
my
you're
brother,
this fucking
but you're
king.
backstabbing. You're backstabbing.
bro
I
देखो
can't remember that. Nothing. No. Nothing.
एक बार भाई अब जब ये बात आएगी ये भाईचारे वाली एक बार बताओ मैंने इंडियन पब वो मैंने ये इन रियल लाइफ कभी किया है
I accept. But you backstabbed.
क्या पता है मेरा प्लान क्या था देखो मेरा प्लान है ना
I still won it though. On my own. On my own. I didn't need anybody else like him. In the end, I didn't need anybody else like him.
भाई देखो I backstabbed him but indirectly इन्हें फिर भी at the end में यानिस मिला
Okay.
and Jokic मुझे मिला
Okay, guys. I
जो भी
accept.
रहा।
He's the winner. Second.
no
I'm
you are second
Oh, sorry, I'm second. My bad.
No, if you want, I will be
No.
second.
No. We'll give you the win next time. Don't worry.
No.
Okay, guys. The
I
video
will
is
take
over.
it.
we had a
The
lot
video
of
is
fun
good.
in this video भाई
Yes, it was a lot
This
of
was
fun.
the
I hope
best
you
video
guys
ever.
have enjoyed it. I hope you guys have enjoyed it.
bro love you guys please
Next
like
time
share and
the video-
subscribe and
We are gonna keep bringing new creative and good content for you guys.
thank you so
And
much
we are
guys
gonna
for
keep
your
bringing
support
back our brother home.
Yes.
for you
For you.
bye guys
This salute is not for you guys. Bye guys.